सिचुएशन इमेजिन करो। आप लेट नाइट ऑफिस में अकेले काम कर रहे हो और अचानक आपके बॉस की बेटी वहां टपक पड़ती है। शी स्टार्ट्स ओपनली फ्लर्टिंग विथ यू, पर जब आप पोलाइटली उसके एडवांसेस को रिजेक्ट करते हैं तो वो पीछे हटने के बजाय आपको एक बड़ी अजीब सी वार्निंग देकर जाती है। उसने आखिर ऐसा क्या कहा जिससे ये नॉर्मल नाइट एक सस्पेंस थ्रिलर में बदल गई? लेट्स फाइंड आउट। वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट आओ बहन चुगली करे। आई एम अमृता
और मैं हूँ रेशमा, और हम आपके लिए लाए हैं इंटरनेट के कोने कोने से कुछ तीखे, मजेदार और इमोशनल कहानियाँ।
So sit back, relax and get ready for some unfiltered advice and opinions nobody asked for. चलो चुगली करते हैं। Today we're going to look at a little bit different stories. These are about workplace drama specifically.
Nice.
Yes, and a lot goes down in both of these stories. So I think we should just get into them. And you know what? Both of these stories have updates.
मतलब completed कहानी है।
Yes.
Awesome.
And with really bizarre plot twists. So you'll see. Let's start with the first one for today. Am I the asshole for refusing to keep a secret from my boss after a weird encounter with his daughter?
I need a lot of context.
Yes, you do. Okay. Ovi writes, so this happened a couple of days ago and I'm still kind of thinking about it. I work at a small company, like maybe 10 people in total. My boss is actually a pretty solid guy, no issues with him at all. Since it's a small place, you kind of see family members here and there, but it's not like we all hang out or anything. Anyway, I stayed late to finish some stuff. Everyone else had already left. While I'm there, I hear the door and it ends up being my boss's daughter. She is like 19 or 20. I've seen her before, but we have never really talked. At first, it seemed normal. She said she was there to grab something her dad forgot. But then she just kind of hung around my desk instead of actually looking for anything. She starts asking me questions like if I have a girlfriend, what do I do outside of work, stuff like that. It wasn't super crazy, it just felt a little random for someone I barely know. Then she says something like, you are way more interesting than the people my dad usually hires, and laughs.
Huh?
I kind of just laughed it off because I didn't really know what to say.
Same here. मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या बोलना है। She's casually flirting with him, I guess.
Kind of seems like it. Then she asks if I want to hang out sometime. Not like a casual thing. It definitely felt like she was hitting on me. I told her it probably wasn't a good idea because of the whole your dad is my boss situation.
Fair.
That's when it got kind of weird. She got a little annoyed and said I was making it weird and that she wouldn't tell him. Then she goes, honestly, it would be better if you didn't even mention I was here. That part didn't sit right with me. I didn't agree to anything. I just said I had work to finish and she should grab whatever she came for. She left pretty soon after that. So basically what she did is, first she asked him whether you want to go out with me sometime. And she kind of flirted with him. And when he said no because of his workplace situation, she probably got a bit annoyed and she said, don't mention that I was here.
Maybe it is one of those like rebellious teenager sort of thing here. And she's like, don't tell my father.
Yeah, possibly. Plus, I don't understand like how old OP is or something. And if he's old enough, he would also probably find it very weird if some teenager was hitting on him. Like, a little bit out of...
Even if the person is my age, I'll still be weirded out क्योंकि कितना भी नहीं मेरे बॉस की बेटी है, right? बॉस की बेटी है, बॉस का बेटा।
Yeah. You just don't look at them like that. It is weird. Plus, if something happens, like let's say you guys separate, break up, and it doesn't work out for you and you're still doing that job, it will get awkward for you.
But I also feel यहाँ पे ये भी angle हो सकता है कि maybe वो बाप बेटी का अपना कुछ तो internal मामला है, like some family problem or something like that.
Let's read on. Next day, My boss asks if anyone had been in the office late because something got moved. I paused for a second, but I ended up telling him his daughter stopped by. Didn't go into the whole conversation, just that she was there.
Fair.
Later on, he seemed kind of off with me. Not rude, just a little short and distant. Now I'm wondering if I should have just kept my mouth shut like she asked. I wasn't trying to start a drama or anything, it just felt weird to lie about it. Am I the asshole?
Not at all. Like, ये situation में you shouldn't even question yourself like if you're an asshole. इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं वैसा. Right. अभी इसने अपने बॉस को सिर्फ बताया कि आपकी बेटी आई थी. मुझे नहीं लगता ये कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज है मतलब.
Yeah.
I think so far he has just been answering questions asked by people, that's it. He has not crossed any boundary. उसने अपना एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग नहीं लगाया, कुछ स्मार्टेस्ट नहीं किया, उसने सिर्फ लोगों के सवालों के जवाब दिए हैं.
Okay, let's read one comment. Not the asshole. You did the right thing by telling your boss his daughter was there. You could have gotten in huge trouble if you lied about it and the truth came out. Now, I might be reaching here, but the fact he's been off with you since mentioning his daughter came by tells me he's probably aware of his daughter's tendencies and is concerned about her possibly being interested in his employee. I honestly think you should tell your boss the whole truth. Tell him she kept talking to you and asked to hang out, which you politely declined because you didn't want to step over any boundaries. If the dad confronts her about it, I'd be worried about her spinning it like you approached her or were interested in her, so it's better to get in front of the fallout first.
What exactly is he suggesting कि तुम अपने बॉस को पहले ही बता दो that your daughter flirted with you?
Yes, you just clear things up first and tell him that whatever happened and you said no, so that if she tomorrow comes up and says कि अरे,
he is the one who initiated.
Yes.
I don't think so. इतना करने की जरूरत है because that lady, like, she did not coerce him into anything, right? Although she was annoyed, but in a way she respected his decision to not pursue it further. तो ठीक है, मतलब मामला वही खत्म हो गया ना, उसको बढ़ाने की क्या जरूरत है? This is how I see it, I'm not sure.
Okay, so there's an update to the situation. So a date was done just a few days later, I think. OP writes, all right, this got a lot messier than I expected. After a few days off, my boss ended up pulling me aside to his office yesterday. Long story short, I told him the full version of what happened. He didn't get mad at me at all. If anything, he looked more tired than anything else.
ये पहले भी कर चुकी है लड़की. किसी फॉर्म में किया हुआ है इसने लड़की. ये इसके पापा बहुत परेशान है इससे. Call me judgmental or whatever, but this is what I think. You see, मेरे दिमाग में मैं 40 साल की माँ बन चुकी हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes, you're right. Apparently, this isn't the first time she's caused issues like this. He didn't go into a ton of detail, but he basically said she has a habit of putting him in bad positions with people he works with. Mm-hmm. Also, like some of you guessed, she told him a completely different version of events. According to her, I was the one being weird and asking her personal questions. He said it didn't really add up, which is why he asked me directly. So, I figured that was the end of it. It wasn't.
Oh, God.
Last night, my fiancé texted me asking if I know someone by my boss's last name.
Huh?
I said, yeah. Why? Turns out his daughter found her on Instagram.
How creepy.
Yeah, this girl needs to back off. She's just stalking him and making his life difficult for no reason.
Not just stalking him, stalking his fiancé. I mean, I know we as women have really good stalking skills on social media, but ऐसे कामों में please use मत करो कि सामने लोगों को threaten feel लो.
I have no idea how, because I don't even have my workplace listed on my profile. But she followed my fiancé and then started liking a bunch of her pictures. Not just one or two, like scrolling back and liking older posts too. My fiancé thought it was weird immediately and asked me what was going on. So now I had to explain the whole situation to her, which was not a fun conversation. It gets better. About an hour after that, my fiancé gets a DM from her. Nothing crazy aggressive, but super passive aggressive. Something like, You seem really sweet, smiley emoji. And just so you know, not everyone is who they act like at work.
कैसी जॉबलेस इंसान है यार, वो इसको काम पे लगाओ.
कैसा obsession है? I don't
समझ को ना सके, इसने मुझे कैसे मना कर दिया. ये कौन है जिसने पलट के मुझे नहीं देखा? ये कौन है जिसने मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया?
Oh, yes. And seemingly she has done this before, and the things have reached even her father, which means this girl needs some help.
Think of it, उसके पापा ने अपनी बेटी से ज्यादा अपने एम्प्लॉय पे भरोसा किया है. Right, it says a lot. At least he's acknowledging कि हाँ मेरी बेटी problematic है यहाँ पे.
And he already knows, which means who knows what else she must have done.
Precisely.
Now my fiance is pissed, obviously. She asked me straight up if there was anything I wasn't telling her. So now I'm dealing with that on top of everything at work. I haven't responded to the daughter at all, and neither has my fiance, but it's just weird. Like it feels intentional at this point.
It is intentional. Of course it is intentional. थोड़ी ना कोई अचानक से तुम्हारे fiancé के DM तक पहुंच गया. They're like, oh, you look sweet. She's trying to like correct their relationship basically.
Home record?
Yeah. No, the worst part is कि उसका work life और personal life दोनों में उसको deal करना पड़ेगा ना उस चीज से.
Okay, so he does the right thing after this. I texted my boss about it this morning and he was genuinely embarrassed.
Wait a minute.
Embarrassed.
It's okay, just laugh it off.
Tommy, I don't know, I am never able to say this word. He apologized to me.
एक और बार बोलना.
Embarrassed?
Asked.
Whatever. Embarrassed.
Embarrassment.
Embarrassed.
That's it.
Sounds weird though. He apologized to me and said he would handle it, whatever it means. So yeah. Now I've got my boss's daughter creeping on my fiance. My fiance is side-eyeing me because of the situation, and I'm just trying to go to work and mind my business. Did not expect it to turn into this.
क्या गलती थी बेचारे की कि वो रात में मेहनत कर रहा था अपने ऑफिस में बैठ के. ये गलती थी उसकी. I mean, come to think of it, उसने सब लोगों के सवालों के जवाब दिए हैं और कहानी यहाँ तक पहुंच गई है क्योंकि एक 20 साल की सन की बेटी को समझ नहीं आ रहा.
She should back off.
There is a guy who's not interested in her.
Yes. The situation is not even in his hands or control. Being completely orchestrated by this 20-year-old girl just because she did the right thing for herself by saying no to her at once. And he was also polite about it. He just said like, no, it's not the right thing for us because of I have to work here. Anyways, there's another update to this. OP writes, alright, I need to clear something up first because a lot of you are stuck on the same thing. Yes, I did tell my fiance. I just didn't explain it well or at all in the post. When it first happened, I told her, but I didn't make it sound like a big deal. Because honestly, at the time, I didn't think it was.
I'm completely with OP. Starting में इतना कुछ लगा नहीं था कि इतना escalate होगा.
Exactly. It just felt like a weird, awkward interaction and I figured that was the end of it. So yeah, I mentioned it, but I definitely downplayed it. That's on me. Once everything blew up with her finding my fiance on Instagram, liking all her pictures and sending that message, that's when I told her everything, full detail, nothing left out. I also showed her these posts and the comments so she could see the timeline and what I had already said about it. We had a long talk after that and we're good now. She was upset at first, which I get, but after seeing everything, she believes me and is solid.
Good for OP. समझदार fiance है तुम्हारी. No, seriously.
Yeah, actually. Obviously, she must have felt a little taken by surprise because why would someone do this so spitefully? OP continues. Now, work. This is where it gets a little worse. After I told my boss about the Instagram stuff, he asked me to come in early this morning. When I got there, his daughter was already there. So there I was, sitting in the same room with both of them, which I was not expecting at all.
सुबह की शुरुआत है यार बेचारी की. मेरी शुरुआत.
मैं यार काम पे जाओ, घर पे कलेश, काम में कलेश. He writes, So there I was, sitting in the room with both of them, which I was not expecting at all. My boss basically made her explain what she did, and instead of backing down, she doubled down. She straight up said she only reached out to my fiance because she thought I was leading her on and that I was acting different when we were alone. I didn't even know what to say to that. I told him right there that wasn't true and repeated exactly what happened that night. She was about to say something, but my boss shut her down pretty quickly. He told her he didn't believe her version of events and that what she did was crossing into my personal life. It was completely out of line.
I want to take a moment to appreciate the father here. I know a lot of parents जो कुछ भी हो जाए मतलब हमेशा अपने बच्चे की साइड लेंगे.
Yes. And what it does in turn is actually encourages these kids to even do worse than what they have done.
Yeah.
You know that story, like हमें बचपन में पढ़ाई जाती थी, right?
Which one?
Like there's this child, वो घर पे आता है एक दिन और वो किसी बच्चे की पेंसिल चुरा के लाता है. And he tells his mother that this is what I've stolen. And his mother is like, no, you shouldn't do this, but she doesn't take any real action. And then he keeps on bringing pretty bigger things, like कभी shoes चोरी करके लाता है, like a bag, किसी की अच्छी चीजें. And then he one day grows up and he robs a bank or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then he goes to jail for it. And then his mother comes there to see him. And he asks his mother कि मम्मी जरा पास में कान में कुछ बताना है. And then he bites his mother ears off, कान खा लेता है.
No.
And he's like, आपने मुझे कभी रोका नहीं, आपने मुझे कभी टोका नहीं. जब मैं पहली बार चोरी करके लाया था तभी आपको मुझे थप्पड़ मार के उसको रिटर्न कर देना चाहिए था. आपके वजह से मेरा लाइफ खराब है. It's the one of the story is a lot of times these kids go into the wrong things just because their parents back them through all of this. So let's continue with the story. He told her he didn't believe her version of events and that what she did, crossing into my personal life, was completely out of line. She got pissed. Like visibly pissed. Before she left, she looked at me and said something along the lines of, "This isn't over. You know that, right?"
सी डरावनी औरत है यार ये.
So what? इतना vengeance क्यों है इसके against?
मुझे ना कैसे बोला इसने? उसको उस बात का चीज होगा लिख के ले ले भाई. और क्या है आप?
This is spoiled brat.
या जिनको ना सुनने की आदत नहीं होती है ना, जिनको नहीं समझ में आता कि एक इंसान की ना भी हो सकती, सब कुछ तुम्हें नहीं मिलने वाला. यू आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड टू एवरीथिंग दैट यू पुट योर हैंड्स ऑन.
What?
Damn. तो सोच के जो से लाइन बोली ना, this isn't over, you know that, right? A man telling this to you, like, my blood will go cold.
Exactly. OP continues, which, yeah, not exactly what you want to hear at your workplace. After she left, my boss apologized again and said he is going to make sure she doesn't come back to the office anymore. He also told me if anything else happens, even outside of work, to tell him immediately. Since then, things at work have been tense, but not because of him. He's actually been more on my side than I expected. I'm just keeping my head down, documenting everything, and honestly starting to look at other job options just in case this keeps escalating. Didn't think one awkward conversation at work would turn into this whole situation.
Oh God. Had I been in his place, I would switch jobs. I would make my fiance like to change her Instagram account or make it more private or block her from different platforms. And maybe also report her account.
Yes.
मतलब workplace पे her father is there to back you and stuff. पर अगर तुम्हारी fiance अकेली है या तुम अकेले हो, she decides to do something like very dangerous. If there is a person like this around you who has the audacity to give you such warnings and intrude so much into your personal space and affecting people, affecting your loved ones, बहुत सारी lines already cross कर चुकी है वो.
Yes.
I'm saying this as a woman, like I'm really scared for this guy. मुझे नहीं पता इसमें आदमियों को कितना डर लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, पर हाँ, मुझे इसके लिए डर लग रहा है. What do you think?
I just feel like OP and his fiance specifically should just block her out of any kind of social media where she could have access to their pictures or their DMs or anything like that, and just keep that distance because I don't think there's a lot they can do in the situation. And if she tries to approach them in any kind of way through online or via friends or tries to talk to anyone from their colleagues and stuff, he should just immediately keep her father and like his boss in the know कि ये सब हो रहा है. Should be very vigilant about it. And hopefully this just dies down. So let's read a couple of comments where OP has replied. Okay. One comment asks, you and your fiance have since blocked her everywhere possible, right? The OP says, yes, and I've opted to deactivate most of my social media. That crap isn't worth the drama at home. I can imagine. One commenter suggests, periodically check for trackers on your cars, and at this point, a fiance needs to be careful and vigilant too. Not trying to be alarmist, but crazier things have happened. Sorry, this is happening to you, man.
बोला ना मैंने, ये सब extreme measures लेने पड़ेंगे.
Another commenter says, luckily your father believes you, but I don't think this is the end of it.
Yeah, 100%. This is not going to end like this. First of all, यहाँ पे 2-3 चीजें मुझे question करनी है. ये उसका first instance नहीं है where she's behaved like this. Why is it repeating? Like, how come he's not able to, like,
The father
get a hold of his daughter?
Good question.
Right? I know उसको assurance दे रहा है कि कुछ भी होगा तो मेरे पास आना. पर तुम्हें पता है जब माँ बाप ये कहते हैं ना कि कुछ भी मेरा बच्चा करेगा तो मेरे पास आना, कहीं ना कहीं अपने बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कह रहे होते हैं वो चीज. देयर उसमें एक चीज साइलेंट होती है, डोंट टेक लीगल मेजर्स और ऐसा कुछ कि मामला एस्केलेट हो जाए. हम आपस में सुलझा लेंगे, पर अगर इतना बुरा होगा कि सुलझ ही नहीं पाया तो. और कितने बार आप लोगों को ये बोलते रहोगे कि कुछ भी हो जाए तो हमारे पास आने, लाइक मेरे पास आना, आई विल मैनेज, आई विल हैंडल. यू आर नॉट हैंडलिंग सर, हैडिंग बिन हैंडलिंग इट प्रॉपर्ली नहीं होता दोबारा से.
One commenter suggests that the OP should just talk to his fiance and both sides of their family, so that if she tracks them down in the future and tries spreading false information, at least they know what's coming.
ऐसी मंद लड़की के लिए कितना मेंटली प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा लोगों को.
वही तो reason. One person just says, if for whatever reason she catches you out someplace, you need to pull your camera and start recording immediately. You cannot trust her in anything.
For sure.
Yeah, that's one good advice. If she comes up again, you just record everything. Have proof, have evidence that her intentions are not good. Best way. Also have, like, if she tries to find your address and something, a lot of people have said ki get a camera and CCTV and everything, record stuff.
Honestly, just like one more instance of her violating your privacy, file a complaint. मैं ये बोलूँगी.
One person says, have you conducted a deep dive into your boss's daughter's background? If not, I would highly suggest you do. You may be surprised by what you find, what she's capable of, and how quickly she's escalating. Oh God. Let's move on to the next story. This is also about a workplace drama.
Awesome.
With a plot twist. Let's begin. Am I the asshole for ratting out my assistant/colleague and getting her fired to save my own job?
Ratting out is?
Getting her caught or snitching on her. उसकी पीठ पीछे चुगली कर दी.
Yes, हम चुगली करते हैं बट ऐसी भी नहीं करते कि मतलब किसी की नौकरी चली जाए. You are the asshole. अगर सिर्फ एक ही लाइन से जज करना है तो.
Let's get into it. I know how it sounds, but please read before you judge. Okay. Opinion. ये उनका काफी controversial statement है. पहले पढ़ लो, सुन लो. Okay. I, 30 male, worked at my current employer for 3 years. Last year, I received a promotion to project manager. In the beginning, everything went well, but in the last month, I've been getting more and more negative feedback. I did not understand what was going on or why people were becoming so negative about me. I was losing clients and several colleagues were really upset with me. I was at a loss. I started talking to my manager and my department head about following courses, getting monthly feedback to perform better. I just wanted to live up to the promotion I received. I felt like I was failing. Then, a friend/colleague, 27 female, of mine came to me angry and demanded that I apologize for what I said. I was really confused and asked her why she was so upset with me. She explained she received an email where I was basically blaming her for the issues that I was dealing with. This was an email a client forwarded her. I was at a loss and explained I never sent out an email like that and if she could show it to me. She did, and it had my name, my send address, and everything seemed like it was from me. But I never sent it. Then it clicked with me. My assistant, 39 female, has access to my email and has the ability to send as me. She is also the only one that has these rights. I was flabbergasted and so much started to make sense. She was next in line for my job and did not receive the promotion. I did. I checked all her sent email on her PC while she was out for lunch and saw dozens of emails sent as if it was from me.
Oh God.
An email still open on her screen showed my email address and a written message to clients with misinformation, passive aggressiveness, and straight up lies. These were sent out under my name.
भाई साहब. Oh God. ये असिस्टेंट्स को होता है क्या एक्सेस आपके पर्सनल आईडीज का?
Apparently, in their workplace they do, but it is being misused in a very, very bad way.
Sorry for judging you from the very first statement.
Rishma has only one thing to say.
Oh God, यार.
Of course, obviously, if this is happening, he needs to rat her out.
For sure, भाई अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो बनता है.
And this is like not just wrong ethically, they can take action again.
Of course, because the company is losing clients because of this, right?
Yes. Okay, so OP continues. I made screenshot and sent them to myself, then went to my manager and the head of the department. They were pissed, as they should be.
Of course.
She was fired the same day. I was relieved and all my colleagues were informed. I thought I was completely in the right here, but some people at work are complaining that I violated company's policy for snooping on her PC and violating her privacy.
They do realize company was losing business because of what she was doing. पहली बात तो वो जो कर रही थी वो डबल गलत था और इसको इन्वेस्टिगेट करने का तो यही तरीका है ना, और क्या करता वो?
Yeah. Although it did take that opportunity to where he saw her open computer and decided to check it, but he had a very plausible reason to do that, I feel.
I agree. Maybe he could have contacted the HR first and made them do it rather than doing it himself. HR को डायरेक्टली नहीं, maybe अपने सीनियर्स से बात करता, मैनेजर्स से बात करता, फिर वो HR को इन्वॉल्व करते. There could have been like a process that was like more adhering to the SOP.
Okay. Maybe.
He
Yes.
was taking matters in his own hand. This is what I feel. यहाँ पे सिर्फ तरीका गलत है, सेम चीज करनी होती है, पर तुम्हें ज्यादा वहाँ पे स्टेक होल्डर्स उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं.
Yeah.
Because company has the right over the asset, right? They can check any tabs or files or anything.
Maybe he just saw his chance and took it without thinking much.
Yeah.
That's what it seems like. But yeah, there could have been a process to this. But I don't think he deserves all that hate for doing that.
Fair. I agree.
He continues, my boss and direct colleagues have my back, but the people that knew her, she has worked there since 2011 and I've only been here since 2018, say I went too far. Apparently, she's a single mother with 2 kids and needed this job. I also need this job and she was more than willing to sacrifice me for her benefit. I don't see how I could be in the wrong for defending myself. Maybe I'm just too close to the situation to see it. Did I go too far by going on her PC? I don't feel like he's the asshole. I also feel like if it was a more regulated process, maybe she could have gotten that time to erase that evidence.
ये भी हो सकता है. I think what he did, जो matters उन्होंने खुद के हाथ में ले लिया है, it was a little, how do I say, like modern problems require modern solution approach. I have literally started talking in terms of memes. I'm not even kidding. Like मैंने लोगों से memes में बात करना start कर दिया इस point पे. लेकिन पर जब आप वर्क प्लेस पे होते हो, like if you have your doubts, go and talk to your manager. क्योंकि एक ऐसा केस है जहाँ पे बिजनेस को सच में लॉसेस बेयर करने पड़ रहे हैं. उस केस में कोई ये नहीं बोलेगा कि मतलब बैठ के अच्छे से मीडिएशन करते नहीं होने वाले. कंपनी को लॉस हो रहा है तो मतलब सब उनको जिसका भी लैपटॉप चेक करना पड़ेगा वो करेंगे. And no, just to say, you're not the asshole.
Let's go through few of the comments. One commenter writes, not the asshole, she was trying to screw over your career through lies and deceptions and you caught her and she received the correct punishment for her actions. Another commenter replied to it, also it wasn't her PC, it was the company's computer. So specifically not a personal computer. Many companies have the authority for a manager, supervisor or superior of some form to access the company equipment if needed. You accessed her work accounts which ended up being your own account. She was angering clients and your co-workers. Everyone who was mad at you should have been mad at her.
100%.
Another person writes, you didn't get her fired, she did this to herself. Someone would have figured it out eventually. She chose to risk her job and endanger the business with her deceitful behavior. Losing her position is a natural consequence of her choices, not the asshole.
I understand she needs that job. She has 2 kids or like she's single mother ऐसा भी बोला ना कहीं पे.
Yeah.
If she feels कि नहीं promotion मुझे मिलना चाहिए, there is a way to approach these conversations.
Okay, the OP wrote, they just let me know they are holding a meeting to clarify exactly what happened. They were catching on to the people that weren't happy about her being fired and they want to quell any issues before they start taking root. I'll update once again once the meeting is over. And then OP gave an update on the same day, as a few hours later, saying, meeting took about 1.5 hours and after that I was in and out of talks with colleagues and other people. It was properly examined what she was doing and has done to me and the company. The attitude towards me noticeably changed in a positive direction, with a lot of people apologizing to me and explaining they've known her for years, were friends and could not imagine she actually did something like this. Honestly, I'm happy it ended up this way. HR and my boss really had my back here and preemptively handled to avoid any lingering negativity. Nothing but praise for them. I've requested some time off, which was approved, and I'll be home for a week starting next week. Per my request and advice, they are also going to revise or at least look at the company policy regarding access to other people's emails and other security issues I've noticed. It will probably be the last update for now. I might make an update post if anything significant happens. Oh wow, that's actually a change for the good. Positive.
Yes.
They probably revise the company policies about all the email access and stuff.
Workplace dramas में normally अच्छी चीजें होती नहीं है end में. कोई ना कोई resentful रह ही जाता है, but यहाँ पे अंत भला तो सब भला वाली कहानी है.
Yeah, I feel bad for the woman who lost her job, but I think she dug her own grave.
Yeah, I don't even feel bad. AI assistants इतनी भी बुरी चीजें नहीं है, अभी नहीं लग रहा. अब मुझे समझ आ रहा है AI इतनी बुरी चीज नहीं है. ये सब काम पे like I would easily replace a person like this.
Anyways, that's all for today.
Do share your workplace dramas with us.
Yeah.
If you have anything interesting.
If you liked today's episode, please leave a like. If you have any thoughts, please share it with us down in the comment sections. We really, really appreciate any kind of advice, a different take on any of these stories or situations. And we'd love it if you show us some support by subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have any stories to share with us, we have a dedicated subreddit for it, r/Aao Behan Chugli Kare. If you have any thoughts that you want to share with us, you can directly reach out to us on our email, aobehanchuglikare.podcast@gmail.com. You can also DM us on our Instagram handle, aobehanchuglikare. All the links to our social media handles are available in the description. You can check it down below. Thank you, and we will see you in the next episode.